Good morning. I hope you guys are going to have an awesome Thursday. I really enjoyed meeting some of your parents last night at conferences, and I'm excited to, again, meet some today. I just wanted to go over today's assignment this morning so that you are aware of what you are going to do. It is about leaves changing colors, and the underlying thing is that we receive direct and indirect sunlight based on our seasonal change. So the first thing is organized in sticky notes. You're going to go in order from 1 to 4. So you're going to click to watch the video and watch the scientist. You just click right here. The scientists talk about chlorophyll and the fact that chlorophyll is a very large important piece of why we experience a color change in our leaves. Then you're going to answer the question, what is the secret ingredient? You're going to answer the question, what does the secret ingredient do with sunlight? And then lastly, you're going to answer the question, what does indirect and direct sunlight, have to do with the changing colors and the seasons? So what you're going to do, and you will understand this after watching the video, and I will jump on and do a mini lesson here in a little bit, but you're going to type your answers right in here. So based on number 1, or how did I do that? So based on number 2, what's the secret ingredient? Over here, the scientist talks about what the secret ingredient to plants changing color is, and you will type in the secret ingredient is, and tell me the answer. I might sneeze during this. Excuse me. Excuse me. So what does the secret ingredient do with the sunlight? He will specifically state, the secret ingredient does this with the sunlight, and you'll write the answer right here. And then the last one is, this is the big important piece to unequal heating and cooling of the earth, which leads us into our weather and climate, is what does indirect and direct sunlight have to do with the changing colors and the changing of seasons? So you will talk about the fact of how the sun receives indirect and direct sunlight. Again, I'm going to jump on here in a little bit and I will record a mini lesson for you so that you kind of understand how that rolls and how that moves if you have any questions. If you don't need the mini lesson on the seasonal change, then you can get right into this watching and understanding. I am here at 12:30 online on our Zoom so I can help you guys with the assignment. And once you're done, you're going to go ahead and turn it into the Google Classroom. So this is assigned to you. It's real simple. Watch it very quick. It's about 6 minutes. And it's really cool. He does a science experiment based on chlorophyll and the fact that the leaves are changing beautifully right now. And why does that happen? How does a green leaf go to an orange leaf or a yellow leaf? So go through that. Try your best. And again, this is at home learning. It may be difficult. You may have a misunderstanding, so that's what I'm here for. So I will be around at 12:30 to help you out, okay? Have a great morning. I hope you have a great day.